Hello, we are Team Random from class CS 6440. It is our pleasure to present our final work on interoperability in healthcare. Before we get started, we would like to thank all our team members who worked very hard on the project during these 2 months. In particular, we would like to thank our mentor, Mike, for his excellent guidance along with the fruitful discussions on Slack and Piazza. Our project manager, Chen Hui, worked on Docker image file, Jenkins file, front-end development of live system, as well as setting up the servers and QA. Xiaolong and Yashu are our team's developers for gathering the requirements of EHR and lab systems, developing back-end service of actual model and QA. Yujia and Fan are our developers for building the front end of EHR and lab systems, as well as assisting other team members' work. Xin worked for generating the Gantt chart and creating the documentation parts. For this project, our goal is to create 2 mock systems, including EHR and lab systems, then leverage an interoperability engine to expose mock data to each respective system. For doing this, we have 3 objectives. First of all, we would like to develop 2 mock systems, EHR and lab systems with dummy patient data. For the second stage, we will expose the data to the other systems, for example, FHIR. For the third phase, interoperability are needed to be demonstrated between these 2 desired systems. Based on these 3 objectives, we have designed our model in order to meet the requirements. Here is the architecture of our design model. Actually, we have 2 mock web-based systems. One is EHR and the other one is lab system. They are designed for medical staffs working in the hospitals. For the EHR part, we have a login system for safety and authority purposes. Based on the patient ID, the detailed info can be viewed and saved into the database of EHR. In addition, the EHR system can request patient order via lab system and retrieve the patient order as a JSON format. On the other hand, for the lab system, the patient info can be extracted from EHR. For doing this, lab system will send a request of patient info to the EHR system, and EHR will send back the patient info as a JSON format. For building the front-end service, EJS has been used as our primary source. For the back-end development, Node.js and MongoDB have been employed. This is the Gantt chart that shows the final progress of our project, including the detailed tasks, duration, along with the percentage of task completion. As you can see, all the tasks have been achieved as we planned, and the final chart can be accessed using the link below. Future plan of our project may focus on improving the functions including add, delete, edit patient information, and lab results. Another concern is the security and the privacy regulation, such as who can access the information, how is it protected from loss, hacking? What should we do if the information has been compromised? Another thing we would like to develop is to build more systems, including finance and accounting, clinical practice, and third-party services for different applications.